Onsen baths, traditional Japanese hot spring baths, have been a staple of Japanese culture for centuries. These natural hot springs are not only a source of relaxation and rejuvenation, but also offer numerous health benefits. In this video, we will explore the art of creating an onsen bath at home and delve into the various health benefits associated with this ancient practice. What is onsen baths? Onsen baths are a quintessential part of Japanese culture, offering a serene and tranquil environment for individuals to unwind and distress. The therapeutic properties of the mineral-rich hot spring waters have been revered for their ability to promote overall well-being and vitality. The mineral composition of onsen waters, including sulfur, magnesium, and calcium, is known to have a multitude of health benefits. These minerals can help alleviate muscle pain, improve blood circulation, and promote skin health. Additionally, the heat from the onsen water can aid in stress relief and relaxation, leading to a sense of mental and physical rejuvenation. Setting up your onsen bath at home. Creating an onsen bath at home requires careful consideration of the location, materials, and atmosphere. It is essential to choose a quiet and peaceful space for your onsen bath, away from distractions. Selecting the right materials, such as a deep soaking tub or a traditional wooden tub, will contribute to the authenticity of the experience. Creating the perfect atmosphere with soft lighting, calming music, and aromatic scents will enhance the overall ambience of your onsen bath. Choosing the right location. When setting up your onsen bath at home, it is important to choose a location that provides privacy and tranquility. Consider a secluded area in your home, such as a bathroom or outdoor space, where you can fully immerse yourself in the onsen experience. Selecting the right materials. Investing in a deep soaking tub or a traditional wooden tub will elevate the authenticity of your onsen bath. These tubs are designed to retain heat and provide ample space for relaxation, mimicking the experience of a traditional Japanese hot spring bath. Creating the perfect atmosphere. Enhance the ambience of your onsen bath by incorporating soft lighting, calming music, and aromatic scents. Consider using candles, essential oils, or incense to create a serene and tranquil environment that promotes relaxation and mindfulness. Preparing for your onsen bath at home experience. Before indulging in your onsen bath, it is crucial to prepare yourself and the bathing area to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. Proper hygiene and cleanliness, adjusting the water temperature, and adding natural additives are essential steps in preparing for your onsen bath. Maintaining proper hygiene and cleanliness is paramount when preparing for an onsen bath. Take a thorough shower to cleanse your body before entering the bath, ensuring that you remove any dirt or impurities from your skin. Adding natural additives. Enhance the therapeutic properties of your onsen bath by adding natural additives such as bath salts, essential oils, or herbal infusions. These natural ingredients can further promote relaxation, relieve muscle tension, and nourish the skin. Enjoying your onsen bath at home. Once you have prepared your onsen bath, it is time to fully immerse yourself in the experience. Practicing relaxation techniques, determining the duration of soaking, and implementing post-bath care are essential aspects of enjoying your onsen bath to the fullest. Relaxation techniques. Engage in deep breathing exercises, meditation, or mindfulness practices to enhance the relaxation benefits of your onsen bath. Focus on releasing tension from your body and calming your mind as you soak in the soothing hot spring waters. Creating an onsen bath at home allows individuals to experience the therapeutic benefits of traditional Japanese hot spring baths in the comfort of their own space. By carefully setting up the bathing area, preparing for the experience, and fully immersing oneself in the onsen bath, individuals can reap the physical and mental health benefits associated with this ancient practice.